tell him exactly what's happening.
Here we are. It's another cruise night.
It's true though.
This is what's coming up.
Police brutality, mate. Just looking for a dispersal order.
Can I give you some advice?
No, thank you.
Well, I'm going to anyway. We got proper crime going on here. Police brutality. He's back.
I am back. I tell you what, it's good to be back here. I've been so busy doing other bits, but this is where my main priority lies in it. So we
Whatever.
Mr. Nix is on it. There we go.
Now what I'm seeing here is a drive-through ice cream truck. Look at that! I've never seen such business before. That's awesome, man. Oh my fucking days. Yeah, man. Oh, but comes to a fucking car cruise. What's that? Oh, but you see it all done out. Go on, boy. Not necessarily that, like.
Nice start. I wasn't expecting it to take that angle, to be honest.
I wasn't either. I'm surprised you didn't move. Got a car with a high-vis rack making an appearance. They are stopping people from leaving.
It's kind of fit still.
Do you reckon that's unlocked or what? Somebody go and see if that's unlocked. A couple of boys here enjoying the warmth of this police cruiser. Yeah, it would be, aye. Look at this fucking shit. We got proper crime going on here. Right now, when is a burglary? They don't even fucking come out.
Police brutality.
Police brutality is right, son.
Police brutality. You're in the way.
How long does it take, mate? My mum said I'll be back by 9:30.
This is fucking wild, man.
Fat dirty burno, come on, son.
I mean, anyone without insurance has got the time to temporarily insure their vehicle.
Yeah, they are.
Exactly. Yeah.
You don't want to come up.
Oh, they got the drink bottle. See that there, please?
God, you got better ties than us, innit? Tell you what, pull his trousers down, get him away in the crowd. Go on, I'll film it. Is it thumbnail, man? If you get a shot, though, that's on you, son.
Get out.
Interesting bit of information. 1, You get burgled, they don't turn up to your fucking house. But you go to a car park, oh, they're all over you, right?
True.
Second thing, is another way out over there, which they haven't twigged yet. Awesome, that is, isn't it? And another thing, fuck the police. You see all the cars running away through the back entrance.
So I'm just looking for a dispersal order.
I mean, we would disperse a lot quicker if we roll out.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just checking them all through now, clearing some of them. We've got 100 cars, 50 cars, something like that. 1,000 people. They're acting really cool in Morrison's car park.
What we acting?
We acting cool like he is. Can I give you some advice?
No, thank you.
Well, I'm going to anyway, and if you listen to it, you don't have to. If you get out of the way, the dispersal order won't be necessary, because all of these cars would leave. You are what's keeping them here, son.
I'm ready to smack him when
I'm waiting here. I got time to jump in.
But I can see this is very important, and that there's no other crime in Gloucester tonight.
Kieran's going to start the car. Next one.
Very rude, I found that man. He was so rude, wasn't he? Oh, you don't want to be rude, mate. Public servant he is, man.
Stop moving out for now.
Well, he's talking he wants a dispersal order, and he's blocking the fucking traffic.
It's true though, bro. Ridiculous behaviour. He's coming back, but we've all fucked off.
Oh, he's not happy. I've never seen a man with a fucking pizza be so unhappy before.
I am not that fucking stoked, man.
Here we are, second location. Remember him from Castle Coombe?
It's all out of Mr. Nixon.
Mr. Nixon.
You know what? That was nice.
Loud is what that
That was
was.
all right.
He sent it, but they fucking sent it back. Fucking hell. Aimed on this thing. Yeah, boy.
Police brutality, mate.
That's the one.
Brutality.
Fucking hell.
Under cover of darkness, unwanted police show up.
He's slammed though, isn't he? He's awesome.
Oh, that boy is on coilovers. Look at him. He's little. Hello. You're beautiful, you are. Not like these boys. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, look at you. I can't film you. You're too animated. You are amazing. Hello, beautiful. Oh, look at you. Hey. There we are. You're in the video just about. I'm crushing my can, you bastard. Check it out. Come all the way to Gloucester. We've had fun. Look, I said I'd put him in a video. He's here now. It's happening, man. Nice one, son.
Nice
Push.
one, lads.
Definitely big love, bro.
Stroking the dogs and meet Viking vlog.
See you later, I'm about to blow this.
Unlike Eddie Stobart, which is delivering sustainability, we are delivering quality cruise content to you lot, innit?
Yo, nice.
Thank you kindly,
I tell
innit?
you what, all man, them sleeping on their job, innit? And then they're gonna get lively in a minute.
Oh, they're going to be walking up, innit?
Shout out to Ukash.
Shout out to Ukash, innit? What's happening, man?
I'm Polish driver.
You are Polish driver, yeah, look, Polish driver. We are at a motorway services. This is our version of Daikoku PA.
Fair.
Of a fashion.
Nothing like it.
Nothing like this is Michaelswood southbound. Police were getting a little bit too close in the last location, so we had to get the fuck out of there.
Fuck the police.
Fuck the police.
We active, we back. Viking Views. It's all of, literally, I can't even speak. It's the only channel you need. That's all.
I apologise, Bobby B isn't with me today. I've got to put up with him again now, innit?
Bobby B. We love Bobby B, but this is my show, not Bobby B.
You stood up
TV,
very
you know what
straight
I'm
then,
saying?
which
Well,
made me stand up straight.
That was literally coming through is what that was.
I'm not one to talk, but trousers, that's all I'm saying. You got any thoughts on the matter?
Mate, I was there with you. I know what's up in it.
Fucking hell. Whoosh. Is that your fucking horn? Yeah. Give me the fucking horn, you can. Yes, son! He's the organiser of this illegal proceeding. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. The night is over. Things have happened. Things have more going to happen in the future.
Nice to come back and do
it's
it.
all good. Can I get a higher? And such, innit? But on our bombshell, thank you kindly for watching. All the best. Until next time. Push.